develop our coil. So take your slotted quilling tool and put the paper into the end of the slot. Show you again. This is like threading a needle. It takes some practice and sometimes it can be frustrating. Just keep trying. Just insert the paper into the little slot at the end and pull it so that you get the paper kind of close to the needle. Then you're going to roll the paper towards you. Turn the slotted quilling tool so that it's rolling towards you. And I'll show you that again. You put the paper in the end and roll towards you. Now roll this towards you until you get to the end. Hold it and just kind of use your fingernail to pop the end off. Take this little coil and put it into your smallest circle size number 6. And it should unravel to fill that shape. Pick it up. And we're going to add a little bit of glue. A little glue goes a long way in quilling, so just add a little dab if you need to. If it comes undone, you can always add more. You can't take glue away, but you can always add more. Smooth it down. Now, depending on what type of glue you're using, it may take 5 seconds to hold, may take 10 seconds, may take 30. Just be patient. And there you have your most basic shape in quilling, which is the coil. You can make countless number of designs with just using coils.